Good morning, students. Today, let's learn the basic concept of sets. In sets, we will discuss about its definition, representation, types, operation on sets, and Venn diagram. So, let's start with the definition of sets. Simply saying, a set is a group of members or elements having a common property among them. Consider January, November, October, August, etc. What are they? They are what? They are months of a year. They are months of a year. Then next is Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Friday. Definitely you will say that they are days of the week or days of a week. Then in these two groups, there is a common property regarding January, December, October, November. There is a common property. What are they? They are the months of the year. And next set, next group, they are days of the week. That means all the group members are having one common property. Therefore, they are sets. Now remember I am repeating, a set is a group of elements having a common property. Okay. Now examples are given. What I have explained: months in a year, days of the week, etc. Now it is represented always using a curly bracket. And also the name of a set is denoted using capital alphabet. Why capital alphabet? Do you ever think that? Yes, it is because we are all having name and we all write our name using a starting letter. How you will write the starting letter of our name in English? Do you remember? Yes, we write our name with the starting letter capital alphabet. Suppose if Seema is the name, then S should be capital. Starting letter of a particular name should be a capital alphabet. Similarly here also, the name of a set should be always by a capital alphabet. It can be A, it can be B, it can be C, whatever it may be. Okay. And the elements inside the set. Elements of the set can be of small alphabet. Okay. Now, next, representation of a set. How a set is represented? A set can be represented using two different ways. One is roster form or list method. The other is rule method or set builder form. Let's discuss these two methods in detail. First one is roster form. In roster form, all the elements are written inside the curly brackets, one after another, separated with the commas, and then close the bracket. Then always remember that if in any group, if any member is repeated, same members are the same elements are the same numbers are there, in roster method, the one element should be written only one time, and that is it. That may be the drawback of this method, listing method or roster form. Let us discuss one example here. Consider the set of numbers from 1 to 10, and it is written as A, or set A equal to bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., 10, and then bracket closed. And then next, let B equal to set 0, 1, 2, 3, etc., 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 and then close the bracket. And one of the speciality or drawback, I have already discussed that, of this listing method or roster form is that the element should not be repeated there. Remember, in roster method, elements should not be repeated. Now let's move to the other form, that is set builder form. As the name itself, set builder form, your rule form. In the definition of the set, we have discussed that the elements of the set possess a common property, right? And the common property is here come as the rule or set builder. Okay, here as the name itself, this representation shows the common property of elements of the set. Example, let discuss 2-3 example here. A equal to set of all x such that x is the day of the week. That is, the day of the week is the common property. Then what may be the members? Yes, you are able to do that. The members are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Good, very good. Now let b equal to, another example let's discuss. Let b equal to set of all x such that x is a natural number less than 10. So what may be b, or what will be b? Set b equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Why it is not 10? Because it is given that x will be less than 10. So less than 10 natural numbers are coming up to 9 only. 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Okay. Let's stop here. We will discuss the further details in the next class. Okay. Thank you.